Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So guys, this is my little hunting cabin I was telling you guys about. I was supposed to post this video for you guys a few months back, but I didn't get around to being able to get up. But it's just basically a two-car garage converted into a hunting cabin for me, my two brothers, and a few of our closest friends. Guys, we hunt, we fish, we bear hunt, big game, small game, ducks, geese, you name it. This is all ammunition for almost every caliber. Knives, bullets. If guys need to clean their guns, we have it all. Here's a couple big bucks that I got. I got some bigger ones in the main house that I'm going to send you guys a video of in a minute. You guys ain't going to believe it, but this was the very first buck I've ever gotten about 12 years ago. It was a monster 10 point, but the taxidermist did a really bad job on the antlers, as you can see. Last year, I got that monster right there. It's my 4570. That's the one I told you in my video of the 4570 gun review. That when I hit it, it was like I got hit by a dump truck. That one right there is for my little brother. Those are from my brother's son, my nephew. Plenty of hunting clothes for whoever comes up. If they don't have anything, I have stuff for them. Like I said, we hunt, we fish, we hunt ducks, geese, pheasants, partridge, rough grouse, everything. If you have kids, get your kids in the outdoors, guys. They'll love it. I'm so glad my dad got us into this Michigan outdoors when we were kids at 9 years old. I thank him, and I'm so grateful for that. Some of my friends I introduced to hunting and fishing, they never knew what it was like. But there's a couple of northern pike right there. There's a salmon. There's another big 7 point that I got a few years back. That foul deer, I shot that about 6 years ago. There's some largemouth bass. Some more antlers from some deers that we shot. There's a gar pike there. And it's nothing special, guys. It's 4 beds, 4 little twin beds here. We got a nice heater right there that keeps everybody nice and warm. And it's just for us guys to get away, to come up and enjoy the great outdoors, guys. That's all it is. Refrigerator, coffee pot. We barbecue in the evening here after the evening hunt. Rest in peace to my beautiful father. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't know nothing about how great the Michigan Great Outdoors is. There's a set of my lamps that I made for the cabin, just some 9mm. There's the other one over there. But again, guys, it's nothing fancy. It's very well insulated, and it's a beautiful place to come to get away, to come in to hunt. You know what I mean? That's all it is. It's just a little hunting cabin. Like I said, me, my 2 younger brothers, and about a few of our closest friends, maybe about 5 or 6. Some guys bow hunt, some rifle hunt, some don't. But in the main house, I got some big monsters in there. I'll show you guys. I'll send you guys a video of those. There's a turkey. But like I said, guys, we love anything outdoors, hunting, fishing. There's some more deers that we shot. We just didn't mount them. But we love hunting, fishing, ducks, geese, everything. We got lots of decoys and any hunting accessory you need. Bow hunting, crossbows, everything. We do it all. It's if you have kids, get them into the great outdoors, guys. It'd be the best decision you've ever made. You know what I mean? It keeps them out of trouble. It kept me out of trouble. I looked forward every year to coming up deer hunting. You know what I mean? And we spend a lot of money on mounts because we kill a lot of big bucks during deer season. So it's opening day today. I seen a few this morning. I let a couple little bucks pass by. I'm waiting for another big one, another 12 or 14 pointer I'd like to get. Like I said, that was my big first 10 pointer right there. And then that's the one I got last year when I told you about my 4570. But that's it, guys. That's my little hunting cabin, and like I said, I'm very proud of it. I'm very proud that I even have a place to get away, to go hunting. And like I said, it's nothing fancy, whatever, but it works for us, and everybody that comes here loves it. So thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you guys again soon. Like I said, I'll send you guys a video of the main cabin where the big bucks are above the fireplace. Have a great day, everybody. And for those of you that are out hunting, good luck, fellas. I hope everybody gets a nice big buck. Thanks, guys.